In this video, I am going to show you that how you can convert the max number 3 and 2 or 5 into improper fraction. So to convert this max number into improper fraction, simply multiply 5 by 3 and add their product with 2. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 plus add the 2 plus 2 divided by 5. So 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 divided by 5. 15 plus 2 is 17 but divided by 5. So 3 and 2 over 5 is equal to 17 over 5. So we can say that 3 and 2 over 5 is equal to 17 over 5. So this form is the mixed number form and this form is the improper fraction form. So it is very easy to convert the max number, any max number, into improper fraction. By following these steps, you can convert any max number into improper fraction. Here is another example of max number that we want to convert into an improper fraction. So again, simply multiply 7 with 4 and 4 multiplied by 7 plus 3 divided by 7. So 4 times 7 is 28 plus 3 divided by 7. So 28 plus 3 is equal to 31 divided by 7. So we can say that 4 and 3 over 7 is equal 31 over 7. So this form is the mixed number form and this form is the improper fraction form. So we convert any max number into improper fraction by following these steps. Here is another example of max number that we want to convert into improper fraction, which is 5 and 1 over 4. So again, simply multiply 4 with 5 and add with 1. So 4 times 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to 21 divided by 4. So we can say that when we convert the max number 5 and 1 over 4 into improper fraction, the answer will be 21 over 4.